Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Then lecture note is Evaluate Business, Misalina Helena, Sepeda MPD, Introduce. My name is Halfira Ramdhani Asyara, student of Management Program at Nusa Putra University. Here I will present my paper, The Influence of Internet Technology on Marketing Strategy. I will explain about the introduction first. Marketing strategy is total system of business activities designed to plan, price, promote, and distribute one specific goods and service to both current and potential consumers. This, this, mar- this marketing strategy is influenced by the following factors. One, micro factors, namely marketing intermediaries, supplier, competitors, and society. Two, macro factors, namely demographic, economic, political, legal, technological, physical, and social cultural. Everyone basically has done marketing activities or at least done some marketing activities. The activity is actually an effort to convey a image or desire to others and try to achieve the message or desired. Marketing activities include effort to design a product, release, promote, and deliver the goods or service to consumers who need it. Understanding the product itself is something that can be offered to the market to be noticed, used, owned, or consumed so as to satisfy a want or need. Broadly speaking, the type of product can be broken down into type, namely consumer product and industrial product. Consumer products are goods that are used by final consumer or household with the intention of not buying traded or resold goods belonging to this type of consumer product include the following: convenience goods, which are goods that are generally purchased frequently, immediately, and require very little effort to acquire, such as grocery items, batteries, and so on. According to Kotler and Keller, the definition of marketing is divided into a social definition and managerial definition. According to the social definition, marketing is a social process by which individuals and groups obtain what they want and need through the process of creating, offering, and fairly exciting products and services of particular value with one another. Meanwhile, according to the managerial definition, marketing is often interpreted as selling products, but the most important part of marketing is not selling. Meanwhile, industrial product or business product are goods that will become widely used in marketing development programs. Industrial goods can also be further broken down into types among others as follows. A management expert, Peter Decker, said that the main purpose of marketing is to know and understand customers carefully so that the product or service offered are in accordance with their needs and desires. The product or service will solve itself. The Internet is a product of technology that is widely used by the community. As a product of technology, the Internet can give rise to new types of social interaction that are different from previous social interaction. In a marketing strategy, by using Internet technology, namely by using social media. Social media, often misunderstood as social media, is an only media that is used by each other where users can easily participate, interact, share, and create content on blogs, social networks, wiki, forum, and virtual world without being limited by space and time. Blogs, social network, and wikis are the most common form of social media used by people around the world. The use of social media among the community is growing so rapidly. Not only adults and teenagers, but even small children can use social media. Various conveniences have been felt in the use of social media, including as a means of communication, socialization, channeling hobbies, increasing knowledge, and much more. As we know, social media is not only as a medium of communication and socializing, but can also be used as medium for entrepreneurship. Social media in the current era of globalization has many positive impacts by providing access for people who want to work effectively and efficiently without having to leave the house. Therefore, various buying and selling transactions that previously could only be done face-to-face or by telephone and post are now much easier because they are done via the internet. Most manufacturers use social media to market their product. Social media is also considered very close to the communication, so that people will be more familiar with the product through social media. Social media users are also increasing every year. Technological developments are increasingly expanding trade as if trade were without boundaries of space and time. This causes This causes higher competition that must be faced by all parties, especially the company as products. Promotion carried out by companies have also experienced a shift where many companies have switched from promotion through print and electronic media to promotion through the internet and social media. Social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube are now used as promotional media because social media has become a platform that consumers often use when spending their time online. So, social media is the right place to promote products to consumers. Social media also always market participants to communication with fellow producer, customer, method. In research, there are the type of research. The first type of quantitative research is a systematic investigation of phenomenon by collecting data that can be measured using statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. The type contained in the type of quantitative research are survey research. Survey research is a type of research conditioned to obtain facts or data in the field. Experimental research. This research method aims to examine the effect of particular treatment on type symptom of particular group compared to other groups using different treatment. The second is participative nature and ambiguous analysis. The process and meaning are highlighted in this type of research with a theoretical basis that you use it as a grid so that the research focus in accordance with the facts on the ground. The type of qualitative research are phenomenology. Through this research, the research collects data with participant observation to find out to participant essential phenomena in their life experience. Grounded theory research researchers can generalize what is observed or analyzed intuitively abstract theories about process, action, or interaction based on the view of the participant studies. Ethnographic research. It is a type of qualitative research in which the researcher conducts a study of group culture in natural conditions through observation and interview. Case study research, an in-depth understanding of why a phenomenon or case occurs and can be the basis for future research. Narrative research. Researchers conduct study on one or more individuals to obtain data about the story of their life journey, which is then compiled into a chronological narrative report. The trait of type to describe a research result as the name implies this type of descriptive research has the aim of providing a description, explanation, and validation of the phenomena being studied. The type of descriptive research are as follows. Action research. This research was conducted after other research was carried out in the form of new research. Library research. The research was carried out from the beginning until it was finished only in the library. The study discusses the theories that are reviewed. Comparative research. This research function to compare two or more treatment of a variable of several variables at once. The purpose of this research method is to see the difference between two or more situations, events, activities, or programs. From the explanation of several types of research above, in this study is used qualitative research. People that tend to be descriptive and analyze marketing strategies in the use of internet technology or social media. Meanwhile, data collection was carried out by means of observation in regional environment that are social media awards as marketing strategy. Librarian study, interview, ethnography, result, and discussion. Marketing Marketing through social media marketing is a form of direct or indirect marketing to build awareness and action for a brand, business, person, or other entity and is carried out using tools from the social web such as blogging, microblogging, networking, social media, social bookmarking, and content. Tunelius 2011. After conducting interviews and observation of students and house views examples from the research observation, most of them used social media marketing strategies such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Most, most students fell in the form of clothing products, a series of beauty tools such as skincare and makeup, sauce, and bags. Housewives are knowledge innovation just like student children, but housewives are more focused on selling household appliance products or the needs of mothers. The Instagram social media marketing strategy because most young people often buy clothes through Instagram because the appearance of photos from Instagram make users interesting and willing to buy them. The advantage of Instagram is that the photos can be shared to other social media such as Facebook and Twitter, making it possible for the photos to be seen not only by people who have Instagram. Instagram has become a phenomenon in itself among social media users, especially teenagers, although many other social media are often used. Instagram itself is no less popular because Instagram is one of the first social media to move in terms of uploading and sharing photos. Many people use Instagram as a means to do business by uploading photos of the product they will market with a variety of image effects that can attract buyers. Some is the case with social media, WhatsApp, and Facebook. The last data from Google Consumer Behavior written by Camp stated that Indonesia, which has a total population of million, has 50% internet or user half of the internet user are digital native. Indonesia occupies the sixth position with the most internet user in the world. What exactly are the benefits of your own marketing strategy? The result of research, researching the benefits of marketing strategies themselves are very useful for deciding how to promote a product or service that it can be accepted by the community. Then the influence of internet technology, namely social media itself on marketing strategy, is very helpful in promoting product or service that can be accessed by anyone and anywhere without the need to incur expensive costs such as the absence of soft-rental fees. Because promoting products through social media can be done at home without the need to browse and buy software. In the social media marketing strategy, it's very helpful for students or housewives who want to have a business or income for their daily needs. Because in this digital era, which is increasingly sophisticated, everyone chooses to do things easily and practically. Conclusion: Internet technology itself with marketing strategy has a close and profitable relationship which is very useful in deciding how to promote a product or service that can be accepted by the community. In the use of internet technology for marketing strategy, it is also very helpful for a company that do not need to spend a lot of money to promote product or service. They not need to incur expenses such as rental fees. In their marketing strategy, many use social media such as Instagram because most young people often buy clothes through Instagram because the display of photos from Instagram make users interested and willing to buy them. This reference for ebook, web, and journal. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.